I see a big danger for Bitcoin, and I want to talk about this in this video. And I can also tell you the exact date for the top that we have, that where Bitcoin tops out and goes and enters into the bear market. So if this sounds good to you, if you own any crypto, if you own Bitcoin, stay tuned. Watch this video until the end, because this will be very important for you. Don't lose your money, don't lose your Bitcoins, don't get wiped out, don't get wrecked. I will tell you exactly what I think what's going to happen. And if you make it until the end of the video, I give you access to my premium trading group where you get 3 to 5 trading signals, and I give you this for a limited time for free, absolutely free. And I show you how to get from $300 to $30,000 bonus from an exchange. So let's go right into the content. So you can see here, that's the 4-hourly Bitcoin chart. And I predicted that we will break to the upside because it's a symmetrical triangle, that's a continuation pattern, and we broke out, but there was absolutely no volume here, and I was showing this in one of my last videos already. So, and if you can see here, we broke out here, but there was no volume. So then we came here, we broke out again, no volume. We broke out again, less volume. So what's my concern? What's the danger that I can see? You can see here that we have a rising price. Bitcoin is rising and rising and rising and rising. But on the same time, you see here that the volume is going down. So volume predicts price. So that means that if the price is going up, but the volume is going down, so there's something not good, you know? So that's a divergence. And this means to me that we will see more downside. So what trade I would take here? Look, here normally everybody will take or will put his stop loss. Everybody who's in a short will put his stop loss. So this is a very good entry. And I would put the entry here for a little bit above the last all-time high. But maybe we can take the all-time high, have a swing failure pattern, and then go down again. And a good take profit, I think, would be here, you know? This would be a good take profit. Why? Because we have here seen support. We broke down here, we came above again, and we got here resistance, you know. So this is a very good area to take profit. This is an 1 to 8. Okay, you risk $1,000 and you make $8,000. Or if you use a 10x leverage, you can make $80,000. Okay, so that's what I see here. And yeah, what's going to happen? What this have to do here with all this analysis? I think we could see something like this. Can go here, then we go straight down, take this lows, and then we go up again. We can take this, and then we will see a massive drop to the downside from the 23rd. From the 23rd of December. But I think that this can be a local top, not real the end of the bear market. I have another theory for this. So just take now the screenshot, take here the numbers. This is the entrance, 103,785. Stop loss 104,964, and take profit 94,250, more or less. So now what I wanted to show you is this here. Now look, by the way, this is my Twitter, okay, Ronnie Talks Crypto. You can see every day very good insights here and analysis and very quick information. I cannot do so much videos every day, but I can do this. So look here. You can see that every single time in the history of Bitcoin, we had 500 days rising prices of Bitcoin, then we topped out, went down, then 500 days, 500 days before the halving and 500 days after the halving. Okay, so we have almost 1,000 days going up, then we go down, then we have the halving, we go after the halving up 500 days again, we go down, we top out 500 days to the halving, and after the halving 500 days. So just count, do we already have 500 days after the halving? Of course not, because the halving was already just on the 19th of April, I think. So and the next year, 25, on the 19th of April, it will be just 365 days. So we have way to go, way to go. So don't get fooled. I mean, there are always possibilities that for macro data, macroeconomical data, we can enter into a bear market because of a recession, because of a war, because of any other stuff. But only just from a technical point of view, we have still way to go, and we will top out like in October, November, December maybe, in the next year. So maybe October, November, we will top out. See, okay, here we can see a local top, as I told you, but I think that we have still room to go. So yeah, don't get pushed out of your positions. If you have Bitcoin on spot, just hold it. Just hold it. You know, historically, Bitcoin is going up only. It's up. Okay, yeah, it's volatile. It's volatile. Okay, it goes up to 69,500, then it goes down to 16. It goes up again to 104. It goes down maybe whatever, maybe to 65, maybe to 70. Who knows? But you see that BlackRock is buying and buying and buying and buying and buying. So what do you think? Do you think tomorrow they will say, oh, no, we changed our mind, we will sell all our Bitcoins? No, they will buy the Bitcoins, they will keep the Bitcoins, they will not sell the Bitcoins like before. All this retail investors that was basically, how you call it? They was just dictating the price of Bitcoin because the retail just went out. They sold, maybe the whales also they sold. But now there's BlackRock, there's Michael Saylor, there's so many people, they just buy and hold. They don't sell. They will not sell. I can promise you that BlackRock will not sell. And many of the BlackRock investors, they will not sell because they are used to it, to hold assets for years, for decades. There are people, they purchased Coca-Cola stock options, Coca-Cola stocks, or whatever, pharmaceutical stocks, McDonald's stocks, like years ago, decades ago. So they are very, very used to not sell. Okay, so maybe even this bull market can last longer than the before, the 500 days. Maybe even we can enter into a bull market, in a bear market, but this bear market will last very, very, very short, or it will even be not this retraces of 80%, 85%, maybe it will only just a 45, a 50%. So who knows? So don't let them fool you. Don't sell your Bitcoins. Don't trade with leverage. Leverage can really screw you. Don't get wrecked. If you want to trade with leverage, trade on Bybit. Bybit is the best exchange. They give you $30,000 bonus for deposit. They give you also $500 free trade. So you can open a trade for $500 without having any risk. Or use Bluefin. If you cannot use Bybit, use Bluefin. Because Bluefin, they don't need, and KYC is a non-KYC, and they give you $300 bonus. And yeah, take very much care of your crypto. Don't lose your chips so you can come and play tomorrow again. Remember, never lose money. First rule. Second rule, never forget rule number 1. Warren Buffett. See you tomorrow. Take care. Have a nice Sunday, and I hope you found this video useful. If it's like this, give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment. Tell me, what do you think? It's a good analysis, a bad analysis. Would you like to have a longer analysis where I go more deep into the liquidation levels, order books, or you like the short, quick updates? Hey, yeah, this is the level I go into a long, I go to a short here. Anyway, if you want to trade, go to my trading group. Go to my trading group. You have free access, but it's for limited time. You get 3 to 5 signals a day. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.